I have been experiencing an issue with brakes on the Lexus, that when I first start the car, then initially the brake doesn't want to work. Like brake fluid level, it's exactly as it was before, so there's no leak of brake fluid, and the brakes start working normally after I have used them a little bit, and then it really feels like there's no power braking. First I will check this line. It seems like it doesn't have a problem, then I'll remove it and try to check if there's proper vacuum. But my main suspicion is that this check valve here gets stuck, and once I stab the brakes then it comes loose again and vacuum gets to the brake booster. First remove the vacuum line. So now I have removed this, I'll start the car. Definitely not a vacuum issue, which doesn't mean that it couldn't be this check valve, because at the moment when I pressed the brakes it actually worked great. But then again I moved around this right before I started the car. It's 12mm nut, and if you're wondering, it is -6, which is actually warm for today. Oh yeah, I need to remove the brake. Then remove the bracket. Don't drop the fucking bolt though. Alright. Should be a clamp here now, so I'll just remove for now. Valve out without destroying it. Oh yeah, it is. So the point of this is to not let the vacuum out, as far as I understand. So when the vacuum is pulled and the vacuum stops when we're accelerating, this valve will, the vacuum will be here, so it will suck it here. So my suspicion is that this gets stuck here. So actually the first moment when I touched it now, it wasn't like as easy. Now it's like super easily movable, but before it wasn't. So I think I'll try to clean this thing, and then alcohol will do the trick here. Some compressed air. It smells like vodka. I don't think this thing needs to be oiled. I think it just got moisture inside, and that's what enabled it to get stuck in this cold weather. I won't be able to tell now because I already drove the car, so I will have to wait until next morning or next time I don't drive it for a while to see if that solves the issue. Put a bit of silicone oil around here so it would slide in easier and maybe make a better seal. I mean, this grommet here is also old as fuck, so I wouldn't be surprised if I have an actual leak from there. So now goes in this bracket. Don't fucking drop it, man. Don't you dare drop it, the nut. This seems click, tight enough, click. And let's lube this up a bit so it would go also easier on. And don't forget the clamp to put it back where it was. So it's been about a month, and so far I haven't had a single problem with the brakes. Just out of caution, I did get a new check valve and the grommet, because the grommet was stone hard there, and this is such an important piece that I don't want to risk it, though I have to say that just cleaning it up fixed the issue. So I'm guessing it had some dirt in it or something, and that caused it in sub-0 degrees to get stuck. So I would recommend, before just changing the brake booster, make sure that this check valve is in order. If you like this video, subscribe, like, leave a comment if you have any questions. See you next time.